So I buy this cocktail shrimp at, this one is from Safeway. But you can also buy the ones that say shell off, tail on at Costco, Safeway, any other store that you want. I'm gonna make some fried shrimp. Okay, back to our shrimp. So we give it a quick rinse. Put the whole bag of shrimps in here. My daughter wants to actually help me.
Yeah, I want to do the video today, so.
Yeah. Okay, so our shrimp was rinsed. We're gonna make a mix for it.
So we have about 4 of these big spoons of cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
We use Argo 100%.
My daughter wants to help me.
Pure cornstarch.
Video.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna start with like
Pinch of salt.
that much.
We already put some in here, but we're gonna do it again so everybody can see. Some black pepper.
Black pepper.
You can put as much as you like. If you like it spicy, you could even use like red pepper, crushed red pepper flakes. Lol, sometimes my English. Okay, so
Then we're gonna put some Mrs. Dash.
Mrs. Dash. I usually use like a big one like this of lemon pepper, but we don't have any, so we're gonna use Mrs. Dash and some garlic salt. Show it to everybody.
Garlic salt. We usually
The big ones you can buy at Costco. The small ones you can buy at Winco or something.
Yeah, like your local grocery stores, I guess.
Yeah. Even these too, like you can buy it. This is Old Bay seasoning. You can buy at Winco.
Yeah, and then some
Cajun
Cajuns.
seasoning. Some paprika.
Some paprika. Smoked paprika.
Yeah, that's from Costco.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's perfect.
Now you can put shrimp in there.
Now,
Layer it all in there.
do I take the tails off?
No, you don't take the tails off. This is already cooked shrimp, by the way. So we're just gonna fry them in the cornstarch. Well, actually, you should have like mixed it, Ariana. Yeah, it's my daughter Ariana. She has a channel.
Yeah.
Ari Ferrari, called Ari Ferrari. So come sign up.
You mean come subscribe to my channel?
Okay, subscribe to your channel. Come sign up. You know, she likes to make videos, and now she likes to help me.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Cooking is fun.
But wait,
What?
this is just like layer it down, like all of them like that.
I know.
Because when we're gonna fry, we just you know what you do. You just go like this and put it on the other side and put it in the fry pan. Okay. Okay, that should be enough for right now.
Okay, I'll just
Put a little more, and then let's fry some.
Okay, so
Time to
we
fry.
got our fry.
Time to fry our shrimp. But since we don't have any olive oil, I usually use olive oil.
Yeah.
And we're gonna use some
A
Russian oil. Or people, if they like the, palm oil and
Yeah.
coconut oil, vegetable oil.
We're
doesn't
gonna use
matter.
this oil
Mhm.
everywhere. Is that enough?
Everywhere, yeah. More. You're gonna need a lot, yeah.
That should be good.
Turn it on.
And you're gonna need to spread it
Put
out.
in more. You can put more.
No, that's enough.
A little bit more.
A little bit more. Okay, that should be enough. Now I'm gonna put the shrimps on the
You either
stove.
can use these and put it with the,
Or just put it with your hands. I'm gonna use
what are they called? These?
the, I don't know. tweezers are like.
I know, tweezers or something else, yeah.
Yeah.
But, oh well.
I don't know what these are called. So.
You don't even know?
I don't know.
And you were born here. Lol.
Ah.
It's, wait.
What?
It's not, you know.
Okay.
The heat is not there
Heat.
yet, but it's supposed to be heated a little bit. That way.
Ha, 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 ha.
Okay, by the time you put them, it should be okay.
Ow. It's hot. See?
Yeah.
Ah. They're gonna start bubbling. Pop, 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 pop.
But you're putting them so that they're too far apart, Ariana.
Ariana.
You know.
You have to be touching?
Yeah.
I thought
They
they
can be
can't.
touching.
I
It's
thought
fine.
Oh.
You don't have to put them all apart.
I thought they can't be touching.
That's why I said you need more oil. You see how you're gonna need more oil?
Yeah, for the next batch.
Even for this one, a little bit. You see how right here?
Yeah, should I put some oil?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so hot. When I put my hand over it, it's like hot. Ha, 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 ha. Stand, stand. That's our last shrimp. Ah, hot.
Hold on, hold on.
Sure.
Like this.
Oh, so we don't
Easy, breezy, beautiful.
Easy, breezy, beautiful. You are beautiful.
You don't just like spill the oil everywhere.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
I don't know how to cook.
You're learning.
Yeah.
So you need more shrimp.
I'm just gonna pick him up. I'm gonna stand up.
When they're golden, you're gonna turn them around.
Yep. Okay, more. Shrimpers. These are shrimps from the sea. Ow! Under the sea.
We love shrimp in our family, especially this one, the one that's done with corn starch.
Yeah, it's so good. And I wanted to learn how to make it. So yeah.
Yeah, next time you'll be doing it yourself, right?
Right.
Good job.
Okay, I'm gonna go rinse my hands. And done. Now, do we flip them over, Mom?
Just a little bit more. We get more golden.
We need them to be golden. Perfect.
Yep. Let me see. These are white, so not yet, Ariana.
Wait. We need the.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah,
I want to do
finally,
it.
we got the name of these.
Tongs.
Cooking utensils, basically.
Yeah. We have to.
Yeah,
Like
now
it.
you have to like
Flip them over.
flip them over,
Can
all
I
of
do
them.
it? Adi
But be
Ferrari.
careful, because, you know,
There.
like you said, it's hot.
Hot. Yeah.
I can help you,
Okay.
so be a little faster. Oi, oi, oi.
Oi. Yay, oi, oi, oi.
Oj,
Sosiseczka. A ci sosiski. Dwa?
See? Faster, faster. Now I think we have to clean this again and put oil, because look at that. This is kind of all dirty. Okay, this is our clean
Second batch.
second batch.
We're gonna
Clean pan, clean oil.
burn this
We
hot.
had to make another batch. This is like 3 tablespoons of corn starch and the spices that we already told you.
Can I put it on 3
Yeah, you can put it lower.
to burning?
first batch that we made. It's almost gone.
Yeah, our family already ate it too.
Because your brothers eat it and we tried it and
That's really good.
that's how they're so good and they just fly in our family.
Yep.
When it's on the other side, you know, you don't have to fry it too long. It all depends on your frying pan and, you know, what you have, like the gas or the stove, electric, it depends. Get them golden, like the wall. Perfect. Okay.
Okay.
They're done.
Oh.
Put it closer.
And
See, this one, because I think we got the oil, got like heat it first.
yeah, that's why these are better.
These are better. It doesn't have this stuff.
Dirty, scum, and all that.
The excess stuff. One more batch left.
Okay.
Okay, so you see we almost used our starch, but second batch we said 3 tablespoons, but we could have used just 2, I guess, because some left.
Yeah.
Looks like I need some help.
I do. I'm like, when are you gonna help me?
Some are stuck together kind of. Like a good press over the spoon. Careful, are you okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Close. Please. Gotta be careful.
Ow.
Are they hot?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Very much.
You good? Well, that comes with the territory, usually. That comes with cooking. You know?
Yeah.
Stuff comes with cooking. Okay, this one is done.
Okay, so these are how they turned out. Some of them are a little bit burned, but that's okay.
They're not burned, they're just perfect. What do you mean? I don't know. How do you say that in English?
Cooked.
Fried.
Cooked.
Deep fried. Well, it's not deep fried, but fried.
Yeah.
Anyway,
So
in our family, everybody
likes it with cocktail sauce.
cocktail sauce.
And we get some crushed red pepper on top.
Yes, because we like it spicy.
Yes.
Our family we like
got
it
it.
spicy.
How much?
I go like this. And then
And then we
3 or 4 cloves of garlic. Shred a little bit on top.
Okay. I'll do it.
Okay, so we're done.
Putting the garlic on top.
Yes, let's try it.
My
Ariana.
nails. Nice.
Your
Okay.
nails. You gotta show your nails. My nails. Do you see my nails? Oh, I still have some garlic.
Yeah. Okay.
But when you do this for the for the table, for the people, for your guests, then you could also mix all this, like put it in a different pan and put it back in a nice pan. Mix it because it has garlic on top, or just have it on top. It's up to you.
Yep. So I'm gonna dip mine in cocktail sauce and try it. One.
some.
Cheers.
Yeah. Cheers. It's because you made it, hmm? Yummy.
It's really good.
Very yummy.
High five.
Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe, and be sure to hit that notification bell to be notified whenever my mom makes another video.
Oh, thank you, dear. And subscribe to your channel, Ari Ferrari.
All caps. Bye.